Hi everyone and welcome back to Create, Login and Delete. In this video, I'm going to guide you with the process on how to recover your Snapchat account without your phone number or your email address. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The very first step is to open any web browser. In the search bar, search for Snapchat support. Head over to the very first site. Now scroll down and you'll get to see the option of Contact Us. Tap on it. Now tap on icon Access My Account. And then here click on icon Verify My Email or My Phone Number. It will take you to this page. Here click on Yes. You need to fill up some of your information. First of all, enter your Snapchat username. And then here enter your active email address. Enter your phone number. And then here in the description you need to enter the problem that you are facing. If you don't know what to write, then you can just copy and paste the thing that I have written here. So I have just requested them to recover my account. Once you are done, scroll down and tap on Submit. Your request has been sent to the Snapchat support successfully. Now after 24 hours, your issue will be solved and your account will be recovered successfully. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to recover your Snapchat account without your phone number or an email address. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thanks for watching it till the end.